Hello everyone! In this video we will make a few quality of live tweaks to our store, launch it, and place an order on the live website. Firstly, let's add categories for better sorting. Select Edit Products and click on the pen icon in the Category section. In the Properties window, click New Item and add a category. Now let's repeat this to add the second category. Click Apply to save the categories. Now, let's use the boxes on the right side to link products to specific categories. All you need to do is tick the box. After adding categories for all 3 products, we can click Apply to save the changes. Now in the Price section in the right panel, let's tick the Show Prices with Tax Included box to show the final product price. In the Listing section, we can toggle a few more functional features: Show Add to Cart button, Show Buy Now button, and Show Discount label. All done. Let's do a quick final screen checkup to test the responsiveness. Looks great. That's it. We can publish our store. Alright, we can check how the filtering works on the live website. It seems perfect to me. It is time to place an order. Let's click Buy Now on the yoga mat. After pressing Checkout, I will need to enter my information. Here's the order overview before proceeding to pay. That's it. All I have to do is to choose how I will pay. For this video, let's go with bank transfer. And we're done. The order has been placed. I can download the invoice and pay in my bank using the details from the invoice. This concludes our e-commerce section. Thanks for sticking with me.